In the beginning, there was only silence. No cheers, no applause, no recognition, just you and the weight staring back. The barbell doesn't care who you are, how you feel, or what excuses you carry. It demands effort. It demands honesty. It demands that you show up, even when the world forgets you exist. This is the silent furnace, the place where true power is born. Not in the noise of attention, but in the quiet suffering that no one sees. Every rep, every breath, every second of pain you endure here. It shapes something raw, something unbreakable inside you. People think strength is loud, that it's about the shout, the flex, the moment of triumph. But real strength? It's the man who trains when nobody's watching. It's the woman who shows up when her mind screams to quit. It's built in solitude, under the iron, in the stillness between breaths. You don't become powerful by talking about discipline. You become powerful by living it, one set at a time, one sacrifice after another. The silent furnace doesn't promise comfort. It promises transformation. Because when the world is quiet, and all that remains is your heartbeat, you realize that every ounce of weakness burns away in the fire of effort. There's no magic here. Only repetition, only pain, only the grind. But within that grind lies something sacred, truth. The truth that no one can hand you strength. You must earn it, forge it, bleed for it. Every drop of sweat is a spark. Every moment you choose discipline over comfort. You feel the furnace within. And when the fire grows strong enough, the old you, the weak, the hesitant, the uncertain, melts away. You rise from the ashes. Harder. Sharper. Realer. That's what separates you from the rest. Not talent, not genetics, not luck, but the willingness to suffer with purpose. To face the same pain every day and still say, I'm not done yet. Because somewhere deep inside, you know that comfort kills potential. You know that silence isn't loneliness, it's your ally. It's the echo chamber where champions are built. When others sleep, you move. When others talk, you act. While they chase validation, you chase mastery. You train in silence. Because you understand that noise fades, but strength remains. You see, this furnace, it's more than just a gym. It's a battlefield for the soul. A place where weakness dies, and willpower takes its first breath. Every set you complete, every weight you lift, is a declaration that you refuse to settle. That you were not built for mediocrity. You were built for greatness. But greatness only answers those who are willing to suffer in silence. Every rep whispers a message. I will not break. Every drop of sweat tells a story. I'm still rising. And every scar you earn becomes proof that your fire never went out. You are the blacksmith of your own destiny. You shake yourself in the heat of discipline. You hammer your doubts with consistency. You cool your spirit in the river of resilience.